Hey, Charlie.
We're at the beach. Ready, I'm going to run up there, film.
Go.
Up there.
Go.
Ready?
Go.
Hey, marked. Get set. Go!
It's really hot, isn't it?
Ow, ow, ow. Ow, 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 ow.
Seagull and Charlie.
Seagull. Are you still filming?
No.
Turn it off. You don't have much battery. We have to travel along the
Seabed. You may think that we are lightheaded.
but we're not there. It's so far away.
I can't sit. So this might take about 10 minutes to get there, even though we're on the beach. There's Charlie galloping. She thinks she'll make it, but she won't. Oh, look at those undies. Stunning, isn't it? Can't you see anything? Anyway. Nice water.
This is what you get for being in England. Nice grey water. Don't they look stunning?
Yes. Grey, luscious water.
Oh.
I mean, don't get me wrong, it's still a beach.
But the water could be a little bit more turquoise.
I'm really scared my bracelet on my ankle's going to come.
I really don't want to.
I'm really scared I'm going to stand on something.
You cannot see anything.
Reenaction of a seagull.